Omalichanwa, Anyango Toto. Please let me quickly reply a mail to some of my Chinese partners. My container is on the highway, so the company that is helping me to track it, they said I should reply a mail. They were asking me how many containers. So let me quickly reply the email. I will soon start talking to you. You know all this logistic wahala. Just give me some time, Biko.
Okay, brother Biko. Time is of the essence. I need to rush back to the office. I need to quickly discuss something with you. It's very, very important, please.
Your matter is always very, very difficult. Calm down. I tell you that I want to reply a mail to some of my Chinese partners. We are talking about goods worth 2 billion naira, and you are here disturbing me over what? Okay, Ungwano, let me get up, come and meet you, so that we will talk this very important matter that you want to talk. I am almost 100% sure that you are here to come and borrow money again. You want to come and borrow money. Anytime it is the middle of the month, fiam, your salary has finished. The next place to come is here, telling me you need a loan for this, you need a loan for that.
So I have a rich cousin like you. Who do I go and borrow money from? You think I should go and approach all those loan apps? Loan apps that will start messaging all my friends and family members if I default. I don't want wahala of loan apps. So one loan app went to publish the obituary of one of a loan defaulter on social media, and the guy is alive because the guy defaulted for just 3 days. Please, I don't have time for all that rubbish. I have a rich cousin like you. If I need a loan, I will come to you.
So now I have your time. I have sent the mail to the logistic company. I want to ask you a very important question. This place where you work, you are a top official there. You said that you are head of a department. I am wondering if your salary cannot take you past mid-month. How are those under you, I mean your subordinates, how are they surviving? How are they coping? Because you now, you are a single girl. You have not even married yet. Bring husband, you refuse. Bring fiancé, you refuse. What are you doing with the money? If that your salary as a HOD, head of a department, cannot take you past the middle of the month, how about your subordinates that are men, married to full-time housewives? How do they cope?
The truth of the matter is that with the high inflation rate in this country, every salary earner is swimming in debt. See, I earn very well, yet before I pay house rent, look good, stock up the house, my money is finished. Before I fuel my car, see, it is very, very difficult. See, as for my subordinates that are men, who have wives that are full-time housewives, they are living in poverty. Everybody in my company is collecting loan. Even some of my superiors, like the general manager, the general supervisor, top directors in the company, some of them are even collecting loan. So I'm not the only one.
This one that everybody in her company is looking for loan to borrow. Are you sure I will not consider becoming a money lender? Let me try this.
Okay, what is the problem now? You're so deep in thought. Talk to me now.
Don't mind me. The mind of a businessman is always wandering. I am thinking about my containers. Ngwado, how much do you want this time?
Just 100K. Just 100K. I will pay you when I get my next salary. That's in about 3 weeks. Please, I need it urgently.
You know that for the past 3 years, I have been giving you interest-free loan. I don't collect interest. Sometimes you even default. The day you say you want to bring the money, you don't bring it. I don't bother you. This 100K you want to collect, I will double it for you. And guess what? I am not giving you as a loan. I am giving you as a gift.
I'm short of words. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Mbano, don't thank me. Don't thank me at all. It is only on one condition. Yes, just one condition.
What is the condition now? If I were not your cousin, I'll be wondering, does this guy want to sleep with me or something? Which I know is not possible here. So what is the condition?
Arrange a meeting between me and the CEO, the owner of your company. I want to meet him as soon as possible. There is a business proposal I want to give to him. If you arrange that meeting, I will give you the 200,000 as a gift for you to keep. And anytime you need the money, interest free, not all this 100,000, 200,000. So long as you return it, I am ready to give you even millions.
That shouldn't be a problem at all. I'll just check his schedule for tomorrow. Then I'll give you a call when he has some time to see you. But don't you think you should tell me the business proposal you have for him?
Don't worry. Your CEO will be very happy to see me. He doesn't even need to know the exact business I want to discuss with him. Tell him that OK and Sons, CEO, importer, exporter, wants to bring a business to his office. A business that will benefit him and me at the same time. Tell him if he's curious to know the details, let him see me tomorrow. You will be at the meeting too. 3 of us. We will brainstorm and I will put a proposal on the table. A proposal that will be too good for him to resist. Arrange the meeting and give me a call tomorrow.
Very well then. Tomorrow, don't worry. Lunchtime, I will hold my boss down. He must see you at his office, okay? Thank you, boss, for making out the time. This is my cousin I told you about, the business mogul, OK and Sons. He said he has a business proposal for you.
I am surprised, I must say. A whole OK and Sons wants to see me as a business proposal for me. I've been excited all day. I had to cancel all my meetings just to make out time for him. But you will not speak for him. The lion himself is here, so let us hear him out.
Mr. CEO, it is very good to be here in this company. This is a very big company that you own here, and I hear that you people are making a lot of profit. I am very happy to meet you finally.
I am delighted to have you here. I'm so excited. We are just an IT company, and we are just trying to compete with some of the big giants in the industry. You are the biggest importer of electronics in the whole continent, so I am delighted to have you here and to hear why you have come to do us this honor of visiting our company. Go ahead and tell us why you're here.
You see that beautiful lady beside you? She's my cousin. My father's younger brother gave birth to her, and she works for you. She's been working for you for 4 years, and I understand that she has a very high position here. IT company, high position here. But before the middle of the month, her salary has finished. So I am now wondering how the rest of the people are surviving. She is always coming to me for a loan. I give her interest-free loan because she's a family. How are the people who are subordinate to her, how are they surviving if she, as a senior officer, is swimming inside debt?
Mr. OK, the company has a very good pay structure. You cannot blame us because we pay very well. We are one of the best paying companies you will find around. But the prevalent inflation rate in the country means that your money doesn't get to buy much before it is exhausted. So you don't blame us as a company. You blame the current unfortunate economic situation of the country. As for how our subordinates are coping, well, people go around borrowing money when they're broke. Sometimes as CEO, I'm broke too, and I have to borrow money too. Man must survive.
Let me ask you, how many employees do you have total, yourself inclusive, in this company as a whole?
Well, this is quite a big company. We have a total of about 103 personnel on our payroll. Yes, myself inclusive.
Well, since everybody in this company needs loan at one point or the other during the month, the salary cannot take you throughout the month. Everybody is borrowing. I want to be the official money lender of this company. I have always wanted to be a money lender, but how to get a repayment is always a problem, even with or without collateral. But if I am the official money lender of this company now, my monthly percentage, you will be removing it from their salary and paying it to me directly, even before the money gets to them. Yes, that way their jobs, your jobs, they are your collateral that I have. I don't think anybody will want to default unless they are playing with their jobs. That is why I decided to bring this proposal to you as their boss. If you endorse, we can discuss further.
Wow. Amaka, what do you think? This sounds like a very, very brilliant idea. Let's hear your opinion.
Boss, even though he did not discuss or pre-inform me about this arrangement, he only said he wanted to see you. But I'm positively surprised at such a brilliant proposal. Everybody is in debt too, and most of our workers are patronizing these loan apps. That is why you see that many of them get embarrassed by these loan apps all the time. And the loan apps don't even give you the specific amount of money you need. So this is a very brilliant idea. But what I want to ask is, what is the need for us, for me and for you? So Uncle OK, tell us now, what is the need for us? We are the insiders that will endorse this proposal and tell the rest of the staff.
This is my cousin. She likes money too much. I knew she was going to raise this, and I came prepared. Because you people are going to be the ones to endorse this arrangement. You will also be the ones to facilitate it, making sure that everybody pays. Amaka, you will be the one reminding everybody, facilitating this thing, making sure it works. The CEO is just going to endorse it and make announcements to everybody and ensure that the interests are deleted from the source, from their salary. Now let me explain to you people how it will work in details so that everybody will know where they belong. The maximum tenure anybody can hold my money is 1 year, which is 12 months. And for each month that they have my money with them, they will be paying interest of 10% till they will return my money to me in bulk. Meaning if they collect 100,000 from me in January, to return it next January, by February they will pay me 10,000. March they will pay me 10,000 till the next January, where they return my 100,000 to me in bulk. As for you, Amaka, you will be getting 1% of the interest that they pay. 1% of the 10% they pay to me is yours, while the CEO here gets 2%. So if they pay me 10,000 from 100,000 loan, 1,000 goes to you, Amaka, 2,000 goes to the CEO. You see, I am just using 100,000 as example. So when they pay me 10,000, I will get to keep 7,000. CEO takes 2,000. You, Amaka, take 1,000. That is how we'll be sharing the money. So if you look at it very well and you consider an amount, say 1 million, that means that in 1 million, the interest the person will be paying monthly is 100,000. I get to pocket 70,000. You, Amaka, gets to pocket 10,000. CEO gets to pocket 20,000. It's a win-win for all of us. Make sure that all of them are borrowing from me.
then we are in business. I am happy and you people are happy. I do not have to bother about collateral or whether they will default or not. You people will deduct my money right from their monthly salary. Absolutely brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. You see, I have been looking for a means of earning some extra income. Forget this my title, CEO. I'm always broke. Sometimes I even borrow money to pay salaries. Okay, so this one is an extra income for me on the side. Okay, so this is a welcome idea. This is my company. Nobody can say no to me. I will call a meeting immediately after you leave, and I will tell them that we have a new loan facility which is mandatory, and everybody must partake from it. And any amount you borrow, you will be paying monthly interest of 10%. And if you default, your job is your collateral. Bakam, I fire you. Don't worry about that. It's a welcome development. We will start immediately.
All hail, okay? The newest money lender in town. You're such a genius. The kind of ideas that comes out of your head. I mean, you're just absolute genius.
Yes, so that is why they call me the boss. Everybody will be hailing me. This is an eye-opener. I have gotten another business venture. When I leave here now, I will go and contact all the company owners that I know. I want to be the money lender of all these companies. This is the best way to be a money lender. Instead of you to sit down and be expecting collateral from people who will default. Better to approach the head of a company. Let him announce the loan scheme to his workers. Interests are deducted from the source, from their salary directly. That way I don't have to bother about default when it comes to repayment.
It is nice doing business with you. I'm looking forward to a great business partnership between you, myself, and my boss. More money to the account. Okay, the genius.